do believe that when we provide data, right, context to that decision, and when it's repeatably clean and consistent, it helps our business users' level of confidence raise. When the data one day looks like A and the next day it's B, and their level of agency starts crumbling because they can't trust any of the data. So they're ultimately making gut decisions. So for us, it's about consistency and quality. And if you consistently deliver quality information to a business user day in, day out, they just feel much more empowered. And ultimately it just results in better decision making.